Muraho nshuti zanjye. Hello friends. Amakuru yanyu. How are you doing? I hope you are fine. Nizere ko mumeze neza. My name is Jean de Dieu Uwingabiye. Nitwa Jean de Dieu Uwingabiye. Today's lesson is entitled Greetings and Introductions. Isomo ry'uyu munsi rifite insanganyamatsiko igira ngo indamukanyo no kwibwira abandi. But I will teach you important phrases that can help you in the future when you meet people in Rwanda. Ndibubigishe ingero interuro z'ingenzi muzifashisha muri mu Rwanda igihe uzaba uhuye n'umuturage mu Rwanda uvuga ikinyarwanda. Izo ndamukanyo nizi zikurikira.
Liberty speaking, the best field of study.
Let us first see those greetings with general phrases that can help you in your daily life. Pleased to meet you. Ndabishimiye, nishimiye kubamenya. Good morning. Mwaramutse. M equals you in plural. Morning greeting. Ramutse equals woke up. Safe. It is the past of ramuka, which means wake up. Good afternoon means mwiriwe. In Kinyarwanda, that M stands for you in plural, and iriwe is the stem of the past spent the day safe. It is the past of verb kwirirwa, and the stem is irirwa, which means spent the day safe. Good evening. Evening here means umugoroba in English, but in Kinyarwanda, we don't have the word in that greeting. We just say mwiriwe, which means did you spend the day well? It is another way of saying good evening. It is the same as good afternoon, but here you just know it is the evening. That's the difference will be on the time. Evening greeting is mwiriwe neza or mwiriwe. The word neza means well. Note, another answer for this is yego or yes, but this is informal. Here is a list of daily phrases in Kinyarwanda. A collection of useful phrases in Kinyarwanda. We at Stay Down Hotel have concocted a list of useful words you may need to know when traveling to Rwanda. As Rwanda is a foreign country for most of you, you might want to learn new cool phrases. As travelers, we know how hard it is to learn a new language. Nevertheless, we challenge to try these few everyday phrases. At Cape Town Hotel, we will be with you every step of the way. Nothing is more fulfilling than living Rwanda knowing our language. Key to abbreviation. The FRM equals formal, INF equals informal, SG equals singular, said one person, PLO equals plural, said to more than. On the left side, you're gonna see English phrases, and the right side, Kinyarwanda or Kinyarwanda. Welcome! In Kinyarwanda, you'll say murakaza neza. Repeat. Murakaza neza. In a very good way, you can say murakaza neza. Murakaza neza. Hello. This is a general greeting which is equivalent to muraho. Bite. Bite is informal. Amakuru. We go to the next. How are you? How are you has the following phrases. Amakuru. Amakuru. News. Amakuru yawe. Your news. Umeze gute. You're good. This is singular. Mumeze gute. You good? That's plural. Biri kugenda gute. Informal. Bite byanyu. How are you? That is informal. Bitese. It is informal. Bitese sha. That is also informal. Reply to how are you is nimeza. For those who asked, how are you? I mean amakuru. Mezeneza. For those who have been asked, amakuru umezute, umezegute, or umezeute. Umezegute, the answer will be mezeneza. I'm good. Or I got good. To mezeneza, this is the answer of plural. Ni byiza murakoze nawe se. That means that's good. How about you? Long time no see. Igihe kirekire ntakubona. Or you can, in other words, explain hashize igihe kirekire tutabonana. What's your name? Witwande. Witwande. Let me tell you the secret of reading Kinyarwanda. When in Kinyarwanda, two consonants are combined together, you should pronounce all of them. These T and W are pronounced together. Just say we twa twa twa. But in Kinyarwanda, when you pronounce, that W is pronounced as kwe kwa, like in queen. We twa. Just pronounce T and kwa. We twa 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 twa. As though you go fast. Instead of saying we twa, just say we twa twa. We twande. We twande means, what's your name? Can you repeat? What's your name? We twande. Twa 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 twa. Repeat. Twa. Say T and kwa together quickly. Twa. Quickly. Twa. Twa. We twande. Answer. I can ask you another question. Ni twagute. What's my name? My name is Ni twa 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 twa. Where are you from? Muturukahe or mukomoka mu kihe gihugu? Mukomokahe. Murabo mu kihe gihugu? Muturukahe is another way. Just say muturukahe. 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 Answer, I'm from Nuruka. That NT is pronounced as though is NH. It is like pronouncing NH. Nuruka. Don't say Nturuka. Just say Nuruka. I'm from. Pleased to meet you. Ndabishimiye. That's singular. Or nishimiye kubamenya. That's plural. It is formal. Good morning. Mwaramutse. Good afternoon. Mwiriwe. This is afternoon greeting. Good evening. Mwiriwe neza. Good night. Muramuke. Goodbye. Murabeho. Mwirirwe. Muramuke. Mwirirwe means I wish you to spend the day safe. Muramuke means I wish you to spend the night safe until the morning. Good luck. Amahirwe masa. Amahirwe masa. Each letter is pronounced strong. Amahirwe masa. Don't say amahirwe. Amahirwe. The re is pronounced as though ara and gui are together. Like in guava or in let's say rgwe. It's like in rgwe. Just pronounce the double letters. Rgwe. Amahirwe masa. Cheers. Good health. Toast used when drinking. Ku buzima bwacu. Ku buzima bwacu. Have a nice day means umunsi mwiza. Bon appetit is another term to wish a nice meal or to wish someone to enjoy the meal. Have a nice meal means muryoherwe. Bon voyage or have a good journey in Kinyarwanda is urugendo rwiza. Urugendo rwiza. Rwiza. Not urugendo rwiza. Don't say that. Just say urugendo rwiza. The low voice and up intonation. Say urugendo rwiza. Can you repeat? Urugendo rwiza. I understand. Ndabyumva. Don't say ndabyumva. Just say ndabyumva. And I don't understand. Simbyumva. Remember to pronounce those simbyumva and byumva. Sim, the M is pronounced, B is pronounced, Y is pronounced. Simbyumva. Simbyumva. Yes. Yego. No. Oh yeah. I don't know. Simbizi. Please speak more slowly. Vuga buhoro buhoro. Please say that again. Subiramo. Ushobora gusubiramo. Ushobora gusubiramo. Gusubiramo. Please write it down. Binyandikire. Chi, chi, chi. Like ni chalk. Chi, chi, like ni cheese. Binyandichi, chire. Binyandikire. 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 Do you speak English? Uvuga icyongereza. You can drop the A and say uvugi. Uvugi icyongereza. Do you speak Kinyarwanda? Uvugi Kinyarwanda. That Ki is pronounced chi, like ni cheese. Uvugi Kinyarwanda. Yes, a little. Reply to do you speak. Gike. Don't pronounce gike. Don't say gike. Just say gike. How do you say in Kinyarwanda? Uvuga ngwichi? Or you can say uvuga gute? How do you say means uvuga ngwichi mu Kinyarwanda? You can add the name. Excuse me. Mbabazi is like mbabarira. Ndasaba inzira when you want to pass. Yeah, you just say imbabazi. Ndasaba inzira. Mbabarira. Mutubabarire. How much is this? Nangahe. Sorry. Mbabarira. Ihangane. Please. Nyamuneka. Nyamuneka. Please. Please it also means kunezeza, to make me happy. Thank you. Murakoze. Urakoze. Reply to thank you. Nacho. It's like you're welcome. Where's the toilet or bathroom? Aho kwituma ni he? In other words, means ubwiherero buri he. Ubwiherero buri he. Just repeat. This gentleman will pay for everything. Uyu mugabo araza kwishyura. 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 This lady will pay for everything. Uyu mugore araza kwishyura. Uyu mugore araza kwishyura. Would you like to dance with me? Urashaka ko tubyinana? I miss you. Ndagukumbuye. Ndagukumbuye. I love you. Ndagukunda. Get well soon. Urware ubukira. When you go fast, you say urware ubukira. Go away. Yenda. It's like Hoshi. leave me alone. Mvaho, leave me alone. Ndakwiyamye, help. Mfasha, ontabara. Nabara, help. Fire, umuriro. Stop, hagarara. Call the police, hamagara polisi. Christmas greetings. Noheri nziza n'umwaka mushya muhire. Noheri nziza n'umwaka mushya muhire. Easter greetings. Pasika nziza. Pasika nziza. Birthday greetings. Isabukuru nziza. Ugire umunsi mwiza w'ivuko ryawe, or ugire umunsi mwiza wo kuvuka. Now, here is a dialogue. We're gonna see greetings and introduction, practice conversation. This conversation. Uraho. Uraho nawe. Amakuru. Ni meza, ayawe. Nanjye ni meza. Witwa nde? Nitwa Gatarina, wowe witwa nde? Nitwa Dawidi. Nejejwe no kukubona. Urakoze, urabeho. Urabeho nawe. Good. Let us look at cultural notes. Shaking hands during greetings and all introductions is an important aspect in Rwanda culture, whereas hugging is reserved to show friendship that you have missed someone. In lieu of shaking hands, you will occasionally see people touch each other's forearms. Uraho is used when you first meet someone or when you haven't seen them or her for an extended period. For someone you see frequently, you may use the greeting waramutse in the morning and wiriwe in the afternoon. Urabeho can be used to say goodbye at any time, but if you'd like to say good night, you may say uramuke in the evening. Finally, to show respect to someone other than or in the position of power over you, you include an aim at the beginning of the greeting. For example, uraho becomes muraho, waramutse becomes mwaramutse, wiriwe becomes mwiriwe. Urabeho becomes murabeho, and uramuke becomes muramuke. Important verbs. Kwitwa means to be called or to be named. Nitwa, I am called. Witwa, you are called. Yitwa, he or she is called. We are called. Twitwa. Mwitwa, you are called. For more in plural. Bitwa, they are called. Additional vocabulary. Mwaramutse, good morning. Mwiriwe or wiriwe, good afternoon or evening. Muramuke means good. Dear viewers and listeners, this is the end of our lesson for today. Nshuti mwari muduteze amatwi, tugeze ku musozo w'isomo ryacu ry'uyu munsi. This is the end of our lesson for today. Let us wish you a great time. Dusoje isomo ryacu, reka tubifurize ibihe byiza. That was your friend teacher Jean Didier from Rwanda, or you can call me John. Ushobora no kunyita John. In Kinyarwanda, John means Yohani. Thanks for listening and watching. Goodbye.
Liberty Speaking, the best field of study.